Okay, welcome to the quick demo of the MNIST dataset tester. So in this demo, I'm going to show only the web app part of the demo. I am not going to show how I built the model, all those things. I'm assuming we already built the model. We have the pre-built model and we are going to test it. So the detailed description of how to build the model and all those things can be found in these notebooks. So I will share the GitHub link as expected in the link or in the email separately. So as you can see, it has a client part. So client part is the one where we have all the UI related stuff. So UI is written using C++ code using VT libraries. So this is basically creating the independent component of buttons and search bar and image handler, all those things. So similarly, we have a server code where in which client will be sending, on clicking some button, it will make some request to the server. So how does that client request is handled in the server, all those things is explained in this particular piece of code, is done using this particular piece of code. As you can see, we are listening on this particular port, and 5678 is the port which is being configured. Okay, so let us try to build the code from scratch and try to run it. As simple as it is, as simple as running this particular shell script. Okay, it built the code, and also we can see that I have written some C++ unit test code to validate the URL. And as you can see, our server, our request is listening on this particular IP. You can make the request on this particular IP and this particular port. So let us reload the page. Okay, so this is how our UI looks. All these things is written using VT. So okay, it is asking us to grab us some URL. Okay, let us quickly grab some image URL. Okay, so okay, so it captured that image and it is able to display that image. So if it is showing the image, that means nothing has broken. Let us see if we can predict our model. Okay, it is saying connection error. So connection error means our server is not listening. Let us quickly start that server. Redo server. Okay, so now the server is listening on 5678, which is the port of where the server I have configured it to listen. So now let us see, it is predicting. So it predicted the value as 5. You can see from the logs some of the server receiving, the client sending the message, response, client receiving the response, and making some predictions. All those things are information are there in the backend. So finally it showed as it has predicted that value. Now let us see how our KNN model works. KNN model also predict. Okay, so we can see here it is still in progress. Okay, predicted the value as 5, that is correct. And let us see how our CNN module is predicting. CNN module is predicting the value as 4. Obviously there are some problems with the model which is not perfect. Anyways, I will share the complete detailed description of how to run, how to set up, and also I will host it on some server where you can play around with the UI. Okay, thanks for watching.